Hello everyone, I'm academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. The mission of my channel is to introduce you to popular science and to create a popular science encyclopedia on YouTube. We are back with an interesting popular science video. I would be very happy if you support me by subscribing to my channel and writing a comment. If you are ready, let's start the video. Astrophysics and cosmology are two closely related fields of science that deal with the study of the universe, its contents, and its evolution. Astrophysics is the study of the physical properties of celestial objects, such as stars, planets, galaxies, and the interstellar medium. Cosmology is the study of the universe as a whole, including its origin, evolution, and structure. Astrophysics and cosmology use a variety of methods to study the universe, including observations from telescopes and other instruments, theoretical modeling, and data analysis. Astrophysicists and cosmologists work together to develop a comprehensive understanding of the universe, from its smallest constituents to its largest-scale structures. Here's a brief overview of each field. Astrophysics. Definition. Astrophysics is a branch of astronomy that focuses on understanding the physical properties and behavior of celestial objects. It seeks to apply the laws of physics and chemistry to explain the formation, evolution, and interactions of objects in space. Topics. Astrophysicists study a wide range of celestial objects, including stars, planets, galaxies, black holes, and the interstellar and intergalactic medium. They investigate the processes governing the birth and death of stars, the dynamics of galaxies, and the physical conditions in different regions of the universe. Methods. Astrophysicists use a combination of observational data, theoretical models, and computational simulations to understand the underlying physical processes in the universe. They often work with data from telescopes, spacecraft, and particle detectors. Cosmology. Definition. Cosmology is the branch of astrophysics that deals with the large-scale structure, history, and overall properties of the universe as a whole. It seeks to answer fundamental questions about the origin and fate of the universe. Topics. Cosmologists explore topics such as the Big Bang Theory, the expansion of the universe, the distribution of matter and dark matter, cosmic microwave background radiation, and the large-scale structure of the cosmos. They also investigate the possibility of other universes in the context of theories like the multiverse. Methods. Cosmologists use a combination of observational data, theoretical models, and advanced mathematical tools to study the universe's overall properties. They analyze the cosmic microwave background radiation, the redshift of distant galaxies, and the distribution of galaxies and galaxy clusters in the cosmos. Key concepts and theories in astrophysics and cosmology include the Big Bang Theory. This is the prevailing theory that describes the origin of the universe. It suggests that the universe began as a singularity and has been expanding ever since. Dark matter. A mysterious form of matter that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light and makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass. Dark energy. A form of energy that is believed to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Black holes. Extremely dense regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Stellar evolution. The study of how stars form, evolve, and eventually end their life cycles. Galaxy formation. The processes that lead to the creation and evolution of galaxies. Exoplanets. Planets that orbit stars outside our solar system, which have become a major focus of astrophysical research. Both astrophysics and cosmology have made significant contributions to our understanding of the universe and continue to be active areas of scientific research. They involve a combination of theory, observation, and experimentation to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. Some of the key topics studied in astrophysics and cosmology include the birth, life, and death of stars, the formation and evolution of galaxies, the properties of dark matter and dark energy, the early universe and the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background radiation, the search for exoplanets and extraterrestrial life. Astrophysics and cosmology are rapidly developing fields of science, with new discoveries being made all the time. Some of the most exciting recent advances in astrophysics and cosmology include the detection of gravitational waves, the first direct image of a black hole, and the discovery of thousands of exoplanets. Here are some specific examples of how astrophysics and cosmology are used to study the universe. Astrophysicists use observations of stars to study their composition, structure, and evolution. They also study the interactions between stars and their surroundings, such as the formation of planetary systems and the evolution of galaxies. Cosmologists use observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation to study the early universe and the Big Bang. They also use observations of galaxies and other large-scale structures to study the expansion of the universe and the distribution of matter and energy. Astrophysicists and cosmologists work together to develop theoretical models of the universe. These models are used to explain the observations that are made and to predict new phenomena. Astrophysics and cosmology are fascinating and important fields of science. By studying the universe, we can learn more about our place in it and the fundamental laws of physics that govern it. Dear friend, I hope you benefited from the video. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.